This illustration deals with branch circuits supplied from one nominal voltage system in accordance with NEC 210.5, C as in car, 1A as in apple, and 1B, B as in boy. The purpose of this change, a new sentence has been added to clarify that different systems within the same premises having the same system voltage class do not have to be identified differently. So to kind of review some of the information, let's look at the circuits to the right of the conduit coming out of the pull box, the right of the illustration, and circuits 480, 277 volt, 120, 208 or 28, 120 volt, 220.5B. That's identification of them. Now, secondly, to identify each system's grounded conductors can be identified by white or gray taping, spray paint, and so forth. But now that's if you have different systems in accordance with 200.4, which is in the illustration. Now, thirdly, the grounded conductor, bullet 1, means of identification shall be posted at each panel board, 210.5A through C. But if we have these different systems, then the voltage class would have to be identified, but if it's just one voltage, then we wouldn't. So basically, you know what they're saying, if you had 480, 277 in the conduit, as you see to the right there, then it's not evident which grounded conductor goes with which system. So you would have to identify which grounded conductor went with 480, 277. So if you had a gray, that would go with the 480, 277. If you had a white, then that would go with 208, 120, or however the authority having jurisdiction would want you to mark those. But if you have just one system voltage and it was 480, 277, then the way I read the code, you could use a gray. If it's 120, 208 system, then you could use a white, and this would kind of give you the means to identify that grounded conductor so someone knows if they're working on 120 volt, 208, or they're working on 480, 277, and prevent someone from getting hurt with electrical shock, falling off of a ladder, and so forth.